I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high.
Yo, what's happening? It's crack-a-lacking. What is up? What's up? Lay in the house. LS Carl, what is up? Mopar, Real Robot, Rufio, Lance Briefcase in the house. What is going on? Been enjoying the recent volume? Sort of, yeah. Look at this bad boy. This is bad boy account up here. Get rid of that. I don't like looking at it. 68,000 bucks. $68,500. Let's see if I can get on the leaderboard for tomorrow. I got locked out today due to hitting my profit goal. Oh, really? Yeah, it's definitely easy to feel that way sometimes when you get locked out and you go, oh. When you had that much movement. I mean, look at this movement. Crazy, crazy, crazy price action. I also got a daily payout today. I don't even know what I got, though. I got to sign into some other accounts here. Lucid. Yeah, for sure, Lance. Yeah, it sucks to have it. Was down $2,000, turned into degenerate mode, made it back, break even, locked myself out. No daily payout today. Oh well. Oh, yeah. Isn't those daily payout accounts, Rufio, tough? Because it's like if you don't get a daily payout, then all you want to do is try to get back to that buffer. Those accounts always sort of send me on tilt. Like I can't send I can't walk away, I guess what I'm saying, on daily payout accounts. I have a very tough time walking away. It's either I blow the account or I get a daily payout sometimes. Let's see what I got today. I don't even know. I forgot. I think it's a pretty nice one. I'll talk a little bit about something that kind of made me upset. Something I did. Even though the other account is looking mighty fine. Just getting signed into my Take Profit Trader accounts. So I won't be with you guys tomorrow, obviously, but it is my birthday weekend coming up, so I'm pretty excited about that. No big plans. Birthday weekend, and hopefully I'm on that leaderboard. All right, let me get signed into my Take Profit Traders. So yeah, I lost the account right at the end, right at the market close. Lost an account, I should say, sorry. 600. Ooh. Oh yeah, so last night I did pretty well. Ended up making $600 on this pro account, $600 on this pro account, and then on this account I made $1,170. And you know the reason why I made $1,170 on that account? Because I went in with 3 minis when I should have been copy trading. So I wanted to copy trade the 3 accounts, and I thought I had my group clicked on, but I did not. And I ended up going 3 minis. Thankfully, it was a winning, it went my way. So I made a quick little trade on that, and then I proceeded to copy trade the accounts. So what's that? 1,200. Yeah, right around 2,400, I guess, $2,300 today for daily payouts. We'll take it. We'll take it. So that's what those Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. And then, so on My Funded Futures, I'm up to $68,508. That's $18,508. I'm up on that My Funded Futures Pro. So that should put me on the leaderboard. But we'll see tomorrow morning. And the leaderboard is pretty cool because it's the whole firm. So it takes the leaders for the whole firm. So this is where it's at. It updates tomorrow. And the lowest number right now is 1655.32, but it just changes all the time, right? So maybe it'll put me on the leaderboard. You never know. I've seen it down to like 15,000 before, and I've also seen it higher. So it should put me on that, which should be kind of cool. I've never been on a leaderboard before on a prop firm. All right, who I got in the chat? Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. We will do a giveaway. That fired up there. Orlando in the house. What's up? Jay Styles, what is going on? Josh, what's up, Josh? Wild Deuces. We were not getting the impression you were going to crush the markets last night. Psych. It's a little bit harder to stream and trade. Markets take a lot of your attention to trade well, especially big size. So when you're streaming and trading, it's pretty difficult. It's not easy. But psych. I'm on the leaderboard. Hopefully, that'd be pretty cool. A little birthday gift. What's up, Johnny Buys Lands? Miss K in the house. HR, Mahmood, Rufio, Moses, Hitchman, and that account I won't touch tonight. So I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. This account. We'll see. We'll see. I've been scared. Oh yeah, I was gonna talk about my blown account though. I have been scared to run the funded because my trading is too wild with PL swings. They're doomed for sure. Pretty easy to have big P&L swings right now for sure. Yeah, it's crazy with this price action. Even trading micros is a little bit wild. But I just been trying to build upon oh, Hitchman, what's up? And I got kicked out, pretty sure I was hacked. Oh, yeah. I think you were. Yeah, definitely. I was like, that's weird. Yeah, you definitely were hacked. No problem. I don't think I kicked you out, though. I just blocked your... I just got rid of your messages. Yeah, it happens. I was like... Nah, I said, Mr. Beast is starting a crypto casino or giving out money for it. I was like, I don't think so. I don't think that's a little weird. When it's your birthday? Saturday. Thank you, Clyde. Thank you, Hitchman, Rufio. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Lance, Miss K. Trader's Nest, Mototimo, thank you so much. Labarto, Mahmood, lost my MyFunded Futures account oversizing. Yeah, I lost another pro account. William Burke, how did I start the pro account? I can tell you exactly how I started the pro account. 1 minute before the market opens. So, Ratman, what's up? Kelly Kaufman, Cali St. Louis fan. What are you getting us for your birthday? We're going to do a giveaway. 2 giveaways today. One for members only and one for everyone for the Grays. So we're going to do 2 giveaways. Lucid Flex accounts, 50Ks. You got to smash that like button, though. Let me just get caught up on the chat and I'll tell you a few stories. Labarto, Sleepy Mocha. Witch on the Roof. New York Chop Me lost. Yeah, it's very easy. I'll talk about it. I've watched for a while. First time speaking. Really like the channel. Oh, thank you, Misty. Misty Trades. Thank you so much. Thank you for chatting. We love that. Kathleen Freeman with the membership. Appreciate that. Market's open, guys. Good luck. Trade if I did, and now I can't text no more. Oh man, Hitchman. Yeah, you even sent me a DM. I was like, what? I was like, that ain't right. That didn't sound like you. I knew it wasn't. I knew. I was like, man, he must have been hacked. Coach Fred in the house. I'm trying to blow up the builder after 4 payouts. I'm still up for 5K. Nice. 4 payouts on the builder. Beautiful. Miss Ty. Okay, yeah. Miss Ty. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Ty. I'm good at botching names. All right, I caught up on the chat, guys. So talk a little bit about what happened today. Oof, look at this pump. Talk about a little bit what happened today. I made a significant amount of money on this My Fund of Futures Pro account. I have been trading minis on it. Full transparency, 1, 2 minis usually, sometimes 3. Getting it pumped right up. I have been over trading the crap out of it, looking for scalps, just trading on momentum. I'll take a look at the old lot of trades. So here it is. You can see last night, or was it last night, or a few nights ago, I got down. I lost quite a bit of money, 3,300. Ended up grinding it back. So you can see some nice dips. Currently up to $19,000. The average winning trade 425, average losing trade 643. So I got to work on that. We're sitting right around on 70% win rate, but nice little P&L. Now the very first few trades, yeah, I made it right around. Someone was asking me, how do I get over the buffer? Well, I ended up passing the account. Here's the beauty of it. I ended up passing this account and activating the account. And then I was in a short when I passed it. So it was a nice, beautiful short as it was pushing down. And there was a lot of momentum. It was, I don't even know, a few days ago, whatever it was. And I passed the account, and then the beauty is that you can instantly activate it. So I instantly activated it. I hopped back in the same trade and took it down. Made like 2,300, I think, on one trade, then took it down again, and then made like another 2,400 or something. Ended up making right around $5,000 on the very first trade to get it started over the buffer. And then from there, I've just been building and building and building and building and building. So what I wanted to do, I didn't want to trade this account no more until I can slowly, just kind of kick the can until I can start getting payouts. So what I did this morning is I bought 2 pro accounts, spent $400 because I did the 1 day to pass. And I blew one and I passed one. So I blew one and then I ended up passing one just before my funded futures stream. I ended up hopping in a pretty nice trade, made $3,000 on it. And then this afternoon I was working all day. I installed a mini split in my house and also set up another desk, a workstation desk. Set up monitors, the whole deal. So I've been busy all day. Matter of fact, this is the first time I've sat down. I took a shower and here I am. I'm in front of you guys. And, but I took a little break. I came upstairs and my computer was on and I was like, ooh, market's really moving. I'm gonna hop into a trade. I hopped into a trade and went completely against me and I ended up blowing that other pro account that had $3,000 in it. I was like, oh, why? Why did I even look at the screen? So it just shows you, I love that lockout button. I truly love it. I mean, I used it today thankfully on my Take Profit Trader account. So I've been using this religiously, like every night. So another right around $2,300 today for a daily payout on Take Profit Trader. I have this account passed. I actually have to flip this account. I'm gonna do that right now before I forget. All right, I flipped that account. Coach, look how impressed Coach Fred is. Look at this. I just flipped the account, didn't lose any money. Still got a day's traded in. It's a beautiful thing. But yeah, I got a 4th one coming. I do want to work on another one too. But anyways, so I've been using that lockout button like a mad person. As soon as I lock in a nice little daily payout, I just hit that button. So that way, if I go tilty on my other accounts, then these accounts are at least safe. Because these are the most important accounts to me, is these daily payout accounts. Even more so than this My Funny Futures Pro account that's up to 68,000 bucks. So anyways, yeah, so that was it. I ended up losing it right at the market close too. It was right. I ended up trying to long somewhere. Where did I try a long? Oh, I think what I did is I tried to get in back on continuation on a long right up in here, thinking that we were gonna keep pushing, and it started to work. I was what really made me mad, I was actually in profit, and then it pulled back and killed my account. So, and you know, when you're in minis, it doesn't take much. It pulled back hard, and then I think I got snapped a few times. So it wasn't just one trade that killed it, but a little unfortunate. MFU has a lockout button? No, they don't. That's what I was gonna get at, MACD, is that I wish they did, because I'd probably, it probably would have saved that account today. Because I had no intentions of trading this account anymore. And that other account was over the buffer. The pro account was over the buffer. And I was like, I just wanted to keep working on that account and then try to build that one up. What are the flip rules for Buellanox? I don't really remember the flip rules for Buellanox. I think I just get in and out and it's fine for Buellanox. I don't think I've ever had an issue. When does the dashboard update so I can request a payout with my funded? Wait. You got a payout? Let's go. Anika. Congratulations. Digital Nukes, what's going on? Adam Daz. Anika, congratulations on the payout, man. Isn't that your first payout with My Funded Futures? AMD, what's up, AMD? Coach Fred, you appreciate the shower? Yeah. Flipping like pine is my goal. Yeah, it's funny. Simple Trader, you finished 11th in the Moose Race. Well, maybe you can finish, maybe you can win today. You never know. It's so funny. I don't know if Yeezus is here, but Yeezus, one of the members, said to me right at the beginning of the stream, was like, I don't have any money for any more evals. I wish I could trade, but I'm just going to hang out because, you know, something to do with his PayPal was locked up. And I was like, yeah, I says, you know, thanks for hanging out or whatever. Maybe I was thinking to myself, maybe you'll get lucky. I don't want to trade this account. What am I doing? Get away. Get away. Moon Gloomable. Moon Gloomable. Thank you so much for this membership. Appreciate that. And he won last night. Isn't that crazy? He had a 1 out of 315 chance and ended up winning. But thank you for the memberships. Yeah, I don't remember the flip rules for Buellanox. Just blew your 100K Lucid Pro. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Adrian Chong in the house. What's up? Jack Boom, what's going on? Sorry if I missed anyone in the chat. Feel free to ask a question again if you want to. Is it different? Yes, it is, Shaitan. Yeah, it is different for different brokerages. I don't really understand it, but yeah, some are higher than others. gonna hop in long here. All right, I'm gonna hop in long. This is a Lucid eval. Do I copy trade? Yes, I do. Within the firms usually. And if I have a lot of accounts like with Apex or something, I copy trade those. So I'm long off this kind of an outside-inside bar break. We have a bit of a flat top going on. Let's see what happens. It's on an eval. Stand a quickie, 18 points. Let's go. Yeah, it does have a triple top, but let's see if it breaks. I don't know. I just want it to definitely a triple top, Jen. Another inside bar too. So if it breaks that high, it's probably gonna pop real hard, but you are right. Longing the top. I gotta quit slouching here. I gotta lean back. Too much physical labor today. My back is a little sore. I was telling someone I'm allergic to physical labor now. All right, can we get that continuation push up? Gotta break that 511. I think we break that 511 and we could get a nice little. Let's look for 300 bucks. In this market, you never know. All right, do it now. This is a pop. That's all you're gonna do? Really? That's it? There we go. Quick 15, just a little break. All the thing I was looking at is this outside, inside little break here. Joyce Fernandez in the house. Witch on the roof. What's going on? Tommy C. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. AJ9. Water fasting results in the house. Because we're chopping until morning. We'll see. It's a headline market, so you never know. If we drop any bombs. Puran, thank you so much. Puran Singh. Alex Van, candle dealer. We're giving away not Minded Futures, a Lucid 50K account. Gonna do a members only race as well later. But we'll do one big race for everyone. Thank you that. It's a members giveaway Thursday. Thursday's my last stream for the week for this channel usually. So we like to do some giveaways. Plus, it's my birthday on Saturday, so let's go. Supposedly there's an agreement. Right. Until later, there'll be like a headline, the market will drop. Yeah, it's just wild. I need to win one of those. Let's go, Force Elite. I don't blame you. Great account to have. Lucid Flex accounts. Thank you, Jen. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a lobster this weekend. That's my big plan. Is lobster. That's what I like to do usually every birthday, is go down to the coast, go eat some lobster on the wharf. What's up, Stevie J? Thanks for tuning. Guys, thank you for tuning in. I saw Stevie J at the My Funny Future show. Appreciate that. A lobster. Yeah, that's right. Can't wait to get a lobster. There's that push. Woof. Bullish, bullish. Stevie J with the 5 gifted memberships. Sinister Scalper, Tommy C, Jay Styles, East Coast Scratchers, Sorrel Golf. Thank you so much, Stevie J, for the 5 gifted memberships. Guys, more chances to win. Wow. Thank you so much, Stevie J. Is $10 enough for a flip day on TPT? Yeah, you don't even need to, Nick Trader, honestly. I don't know if you saw what I did earlier, but I made no money and flipped the account. So I'll show you. See right here? I got in, I got out, I made no money, 100% winning trades, 0 P&L with 1 micro. And that's how I flip my accounts. Power Rangers, how am I doing? I'm doing great. I mean, really, it was a nice day. But, oh, with My Funny Future Rabbit, do I have to wait until midnight or 5 p.m. tomorrow for the first payout? Today was day 0. I think you have to wait 24 hours. I think, Jeannie. I think it's 24 hours. So it's a little bit different than the take profit traders, but congratulations, you already got a day. They take you off the cooldown period, and then you're already taking more of their money. Let's go. Yeah, I think so, Jeannie. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, time to take more of their money. Let's go. I'm out. Happy birthday. I'm gonna do low accounts against Sleepy Mocha. Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you stopping in every single night and saying what's up. Looks like it's gonna be my day winning. Let's go. I miss you. Seeing some new faces in the chat. Love that. Ooh, look at a little pullback here. Projection at 547. Nice little 10-point drop off that. I don't want to trade this account. Let me just stick this over here. Let me actually make sure I'm up on the right account. I do that all the time. Travis, am I the new one? You could be. I've seen some new faces. I Miss You is a new one. Someone earlier said hi. I already forgot what the name was, but Moon Gloomable is a new member. I haven't seen that name before. We usually have about 10. I usually say there's about 10% that chat. 10% of the people watching. What's up, Yeezus? I was just talking about you earlier, about you winning that account last night. Pretty awesome. How'd you do on that account? It's okay if you don't want to say. What's up, Spy? Can you gift subs on mobile? I don't see an option. I don't know. I think you can. Apple 1991 in the house. What's going on? I ain't actually new. I just don't comment frequently. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah, it's kind of what I was meaning. Like, there's only about 10% that usually chat. We usually have 300 to 400 people watching, and then I figure there's like 20, 30 people that are actively chatting. which is perfectly cool. Because I lurk too sometimes. A lot of people are doing things, working, driving, and they're just listening in the background. What's up, Dean? Jib Smith, T4. Giveaway lurkers? Yeah, that's right. iTrades, what's going on? So yeah, I made a little scalp there off the open here. Just kind of sitting and waiting for another trade. Got this account up to 549. I'd like to get one of these Lucid accounts passed without full porting and passing and smashing. Try to do a little something systematic. But overall, looking a little trendy right here with the old NASDAQ. A nice little bullish open and hasn't really looked back, which just kind of make me wonder, do we just hop in, wait for a little pullback, and then just hop in and then see what happens? Let the market prove me wrong. But we did run that wick. It was at the previous day high. Yeah, pulled back. Look at that spread. Look how nasty it is. I'm gonna hop in micros here. I'm just trying it. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. Well, maybe I won't have to. Quick 5 points there. We'll take 5 off there. For 10 points. Take off another 3. For 2 down on the runner. 4 runner. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong chart. My bad. All right, stopped out on the runner. Up 446 now. Just playing that. I was just playing that little trend line. Just trying to ride the trend. See what it wants to do now. Looks like it might try to break down through there. 200 moving average, super bullish. It is so bullish. Yeah, I mean the daily chart today again, and overall looking at the picture, I mean, are we just putting in a big range here? But still, like, I mean, we've pulled back some, but just keeps wanting to. It wouldn't surprise me if we don't get some good news or whatever and the market just goes and takes out all-time highs again. Not financial advice or anything like that, but we're not far away considering what NASDAQ's been doing. It's just wild. All right, getting a little pullback. Perma Bears wrecked again. Yeah. Before Stevie J's 5 gifted memberships go away, thank you so much once again, Stevie J. We will do a members only race. Romeo, thank you so much. I was listening to a lot of, while I was working on my mini split today, I was listening to a lot of reggae and stick figure. I was listening to a lot of stick figure today. Bo Vosh, how am I doing? How did I do today? Pretty good. Aero Mech Trader in the house. What's going on? Yeah, so pretty good. I got my My Funded Futures Pro account up to 68,000. and might be end up on that leaderboard. The Take Profit Trader account, $2,400 payout today. $2,300 payout today. And I ended up blowing another My Funded Future Pro account that I had at $3,000, which kind of sucks, but so you can get up to $100,000 on those My Funded Future accounts. But my goal is to have them put a nice little balance into a live account. So that's the goal. That's why I'm kind of running it up. Did I see any single parents? I did. Yeah, that was part of the reason why I was hopping in that long. There's actually a few more up at 542, 542.25. There's some zero prints up in there. And there's a bunch to the downside. Big gaps. So what I'm talking about zero prints is right here on the histogram. And you can see these gaps in price. Basically, you can see these orders got filled here. And then like 17 orders got filled right at 456.75. And then you have these big gaps in price where no orders got triggered right there. So if it starts to get that pump, that push down, that will be some targets down in there. Pine just killing the game. I'm talking about the Trump tweet. Oh, the Trump tweet. I'm not sure. There probably is. Yeah, I'm not sure, Cajun. So the nice thing was last night, it played out perfectly. What we had talked about, we had that tweet that came out. Let's see if I can go back to last night. I'm not sure exactly where it was, but it was that tweet. I think it was this one, wasn't it? And the market just shot right up, and then I ended up hopping in long. And I said, if the low gets taken out, like that's where I would want my stop to be, but just tried to ride the long for as long as possible. Did we ever come down and test it? No, we didn't. That was the low. Shout out Terry Trades for that call out right there, because that literally was the low of last night. Unbelievable. And that came across the financial juice. And the market never looked back after that. It was bullish ever since. So basically what it was, Trump's birthday is June 14th. Oh man, that's very close to mine. Mine's on the 13th, so oof. Wonder what he has planned for the stock market. How's the first inside bar doing this day? It won today. 20 points. What's up, Pawn? Ralph Wiggum in the house. Ralph Wiggum from The Simpsons. Let's go. Yeah, I have an echo. Yeah, I know. I think it's coming through my speaker. I don't really know why. Can't quite figure it out. Terry's predictions are supernatural. It was, so basically the whole thesis of it, the hypothesis, is whatever new, like when you get a giant news candle or a tweet candle, basically just trying to ride whatever direction that it closes. So have you ever tested the first inside bar for gold? I have never done that, no. There was a point in time where I was trying to trade gold a lot with inside bars, but I don't remember ever doing the first inside bar. I might have tried. I don't know. I don't think it was anything that I found. But yeah, it's just basically just trying to ride that candle. So if you get a tweet, whatever it is, I'm assuming this was a tweet, and then basically just going with a direction. And it's crazy how good it is. So it could even be a bearish one, and if it gets a nice close on that candle, even bearish, then you just go with it and then try to place a stop, knowing that if it goes on the opposite side, to the opposite side of that candle, then you're done. But oh, you're 7 minutes behind on the stream. Oh, that's right, when you said you were a lurker. Yeah. Yes, thank you for the membership. Stepped away. Yeah, you're gonna have to make sure you hop in towards the end of the stream. We'll do a giveaway for members only. All right, market looks like it's just trying to chop around and get consolidated now. Let's take a look at, is gold moving at all? What is the gold? Where are we at with gold? Are we on the M contract? Is that where we're at? No. What's a gold contract? Does anyone know? I don't really trade gold much. I had to reset all my charts, unfortunately. Am I profitable this year? Yeah, one of the best years I've ever had. And I don't know the exact total because I don't keep spreadsheets like 0 Day J, but yeah. It started off really well. I mean, 50-something thousand just from one single payout with Apex. I mean, not one single, but it was like 2-3 payouts or something like that. But like it was all in the same like month and a half. 30,000 on I think one payout. It's been great. Q? Oh, thank you. Q. So gold getting a little pop up here. It's a little bit slow. Nasdaq's still grinding to the upside, just chopping sideways. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. There is going to be a giveaway for everyone tonight. Yep. Pine, man, you start trading some Apex accounts again? Yep, I'm going to. I stopped when I blew 40 accounts. So I got the nice big payout, and then I ended up blowing 40 funded accounts. I blew like 20 accounts, and then I passed 20 more, and then I blew 20 more, and then I just stopped for a minute. I was like, I gotta take a break, because what I was doing is copy trading them all. So yeah, I just took a break. To me, I like to trade multiple. If I'm trading with Apex, I want to use the multiple accounts as leverage. Does that make sense? And, I don't want to just trade one account or something like that with them. That's just me personally. I want to trade multiple, use that as my leverage. So that's what I want to do again. The candle's wild. It's still pretty good sized candle. This is like normal New York candle usually, but it doesn't seem very big. You know what I really want to do is go down to the Hearts of Pine game for my birthday, but soccer game. I don't know what the weather's gonna be though, and it's sold out, so I'd have to. Like the 5-packs, yeah, exactly, the 5-packs. You guys like the 5-packs too. Thank you for using code Pine with Apex. You guys have been loving that 5-pack. I think I was actually talking to Apex 2 2 days ago. Was talking to the powers of B. And yeah, I mean, you guys like the 5-packs for sure. And I just told them they were wondering about my concerns or whatever, or what the feedback coming from you guys, and I just said it's speed of payouts. That's what people want to see. They want to see speed of payouts, everything, and that's with all the firms. Fast payouts, fast activations, all that stuff. So when you pass an eval, they want to be able to activate it quickly. When they go to click the payout button, they want it to be approved and sent. It's all about speed. So that's kind of the conversation I had. What's up, Hello Teacher in the house? 150K rapid pass. Let's go. If I ever win a Lucid account, I'm splitting my payout with Pine unless I blow it up, of course. That trading stonks. I mean, he's trying to sweeten the deal. He's trying to butter me up. Like I said, when Terry trades and Tom have the debate in the morning for My Funded Futures TV, I always vote for Terry. Why? Because she sends me DoorDash. Duncan. She sends me DoorDash Duncan occasionally. So of course, I can be bribed. I mean, I did vote yesterday too, so I don't know if or 2 days ago. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? But just like all those politicians, they can be bribed. Everyone can be bribed. Have you heard any companies that might start offering the 5-packs? My Funded Futures of Lucid? No, but Tradeify has them. Tech review. Tradeify has the 5-packs. So I would not be a bit surprised that My Funded Futures or Lucid. I would think Lucid would probably do that eventually. The 5-packs from My Funded Futures, the tricky thing is that, like with a builder account, you only can have like one funded builder account. So, and then like with a rapid account, you can have 5 of those. And I think with a pro account, you can have 3 at 50Ks or something like that. I'm not even 100% sure, but yeah. So, but with Lucid, you can have 5. So I can see Lucid doing something like that. I had a rumor that Apex might have daily payout accounts. Any truth to this? I don't know. I haven't heard that, but Daryl did say in an interview that they're looking to do straight to funded accounts. You going for the short? Good luck, Mopar. Pine Pack will accept all donations. That's right, Mo. Everyone's got a price. Fine. Is Top 1 Futures any good? I've been seeing a lot of ads for it recently. I traded with them. I don't have anything. I don't really know. I haven't really traded them much. I did trade with them when they were first kind of coming up and they had Project X, and I gave them a shot because the accounts were so cheap. You know, I'd end up buying like 5 accounts for like $100, something like that, with no activation fee or whatever it was. So I did trade with them, but I've never gotten a payout or anything. So I think they're starting to be around for a little bit. I think they're all right. I think like Top 1, Funded Next. Who's the other one that I've been seeing a lot? Alpha Futures. You know, they're kind of sticking around for a little bit. Trade day, increase your profit target. Definitely not cool. Did you go over the consistency? You must have been over the consistency, right? Queen of Trades, which one is my favorite? Of who? Queen of Trades. Or which, my favorite what? Favorite Duncan? Favorite Duncan, decaf iced coffee with almond milk and 3 pumps of unsweetened vanilla. That's my favorite. All accounts firms, yeah. Take Profit Trader. Daily payouts, Take Profit Trader. You can't beat. You just cannot beat it. That's my favorite. One of my favorite accounts right now, I think, is the My Funded Futures. I think this is a sleeper account, especially in this volatility. My Funded Futures Pro account, because with this type of volatility, if you start to get a nice little run and start building upon it, you can make a lot of money. Currently up $18,000. I could request $16,000 on this account right now. Well, not right now, but in probably 10 days. 10 days I can request that much, and I can keep building the account. So I think that's a sleeper account, especially in this volatility. But Take Profit Trader is my favorite as far as daily payouts. And overall, if I could have one account, and I'll be fully honest with you, if I get banned from all the other prop firms, I just hope I don't get banned from Take Profit Trader, because I just love the daily payouts. My goal is to have 5. My goal is to have 5 going to live with it. So yeah, TPT, my favorite. Especially with the daily payout accounts. The Rapid's good. The My Funded Futures Rapid, that's nothing to be, to sneeze about. That's a very good account. The Tradeify select accounts, daily accounts, are the only end of day accounts really that right now. It's the only end of day accounts. Look at this market. So shorts are just getting squeezed. I think Lucid's great too. Yeah, you guys vote Lucid as their #1, which is awesome. Thank you so much for using code PINE with Lucid. And it shows that you guys that is one of your favorite prop firms, because that's why they end up giving me some accounts to give away for you guys tonight. So I hit them up. They say, yes, no problem. I tried to hit them up for a lot of accounts, but they said, no, you can have this many. I said, okay. TPT eval is not necessary. It's the only downfall, really. It's the only thing that I don't like. I mean, the intraday trailing kind of sucks, but once you're over the buffer, it's static anyway. But TPT eval 5 days, I wish they would just go to 2-day. That way you have the option to trade it 2 days, because that's how I usually pass my TPTs. $1,500 on day 1, $1,500 on day 2 generally. Get them passed quickly, and then I just flip for 3 days. You're gonna buy a few TPT accounts in August or September? Oh, let's go. Bear Trader in the house. What's going on? Big Cat, what's up? Why not Rapid instead of Profit Split, same rules? Yeah, there's a simple answer to that. For one, I'm really trying to go live with Take Profit Trader, so I have been trading them a lot. And you can go live with 5 accounts, and at My Funded Futures, I believe that's not the case. And the other thing is I like anything I make on those accounts over the buffer at $2,000, I can take a withdrawal. So even if I make $200 times 3 accounts, or $300 times 3 accounts, which you'll see me do quite often, I can take the payout. With My Funded Futures, you have to make at least $500. So that's the reason why I like Take Profit Trader over the My Funded Future Rapid accounts. But like you said, there is some advantages. Better profit split, 90-10, which is why I want to try to get my Pro Plus accounts. And yeah, so I mean, definitely Dave J. I mean, nothing wrong with My Funded Futures Rapids. It's just, gun to my head. Oof, look at this freaking market. Ugh. We caught a little 15-point long right in here, and then look at it. It's up 70-something points. No FOMO though. No FOMO. Funded Futures is cool. They banned in Mexico. Oh, interesting. I can never get over the buffer on TPT. I tried 50K and just can't. Took me forever, Dave J. So here's the thing, Dave J. Maybe it's the intraday that's probably getting you, right? Is it the intraday trailing drawdown that kills your account? You can try, if you really want to try to get daily payout accounts, you could try the Tradeify select accounts. There is $1,000 cap on per payout per account, but I mean, if you can have 5 accounts, I mean, a $5,000 payout a day is pretty freaking good. But those are end of day accounts, truly end of day accounts. So code Pine with Tradeify. So the nice thing is we have options. A lot of people they don't have, with their type of trading, they don't trade intraday trailing drawdown accounts very well. Because what I found with intraday trailing drawdown accounts, you have to just scalp a lot, just see money, take money, see money, take money, over and over and over again, and then until you get over the buffer, then you can kind of just change it up a little bit and trade a little bit differently. But there is a trick to getting over that intraday trailing drawdown, scalping and then trying to trail your stock real quick, you know, behind it, so not letting it come back. And if you're a type of trader that likes to intraday swing, like maybe you caught the long already off the open and just letting it move up. Well, if you're in an intraday trailing account and it starts to pull back, like off this, you know, it starts to push up here to 550s, pulls all the way back here to 520s, and your size a little bit too heavy, next thing you know, the intraday trailing drawdown is going to get you. So I don't like it. I don't love it. I get taxed 40% on payouts, so I feel like I lose out as much to TJG. Yeah. Taxes suck, but yeah, I know. I hear you. My Funny Futures have any minimum hold times or micro scalping rules? No, not really. They got rid of them. 67. I mean, I think it's like a point or something like that. So like if you're over a point, it's fine. They used to, but I think they got rid of it. Me double check. It says micro scalping is allowed on their live account, but yeah, I don't think they have any rule against it. Yeah, but not strict. It's in frequently asked questions. FAQ. Yeah. You think it's 5 seconds on My Funny Futures? I think they got rid of that. You could be right though. You could be right. What happens if you get over the buffer with TPT and you lose, go under? No, it doesn't. No, if you go over the buffer, say you're over say you have a 50K and you go over $2,000, your drawdown is now $2,000. So it just stops. It's just, it would be zero. You know, that would be what stops you out if you're over 2,000. You need a lockout button for My Funny Futures, tempting to trade. I hear you 100%. Genie. I mean, I've talked about this with Terry too on the phone. I was like, we need a lockout button. I said I wouldn't have blown this account. We're just talking about it. 4 ticks. All right. Thank you, Visible ID. So micro scalping is 4 ticks. They consider micro scalping 4 ticks with My Funny Futures. So essentially one NASDAQ point. And don't worry about it. Like don't let it get in your head too. Like if you get out, you know, let's just say you're in a trade and then you move it up 2 ticks to get out or something like that, and it comes and stops you out. If you do it every once in a while, don't worry about it. It's just people that are just looking for like 1 or 2 ticks over and over and over and over and over again, like 2 ticks maybe. which, you know, you can't be profitable doing that, but with commissions, it probably eat it up. Who said pattern trading didn't work? Yeah, I know. We are just pushing. I mean, just wild. Just ripped another 400, 1300 on a session. You're done. Let's go. What's up, Barbie in the house? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. 50K Lucid Flex account. We'll do a giveaway when we get to 300 likes. As soon as we get to 300 likes, we'll do one. And then we'll do another one for members only. $586 here, pulling back. Go to micros here just in case. See a little something. Currently up right around, if you guys are just tuning in, currently up 446, taking 2 trades. Waiting for another setup here while it's just grinding higher. If you guys got any questions for me, feel free to say what's up in the chat and ask away. What's up, Cranston White? Today was a good day. Today was a good day. Besides me blowing that account. Oh, yeah. So today was a good day, Barbie. I ended up, I'm up $18,000, $18,500 on that My Funded Futures Funded Pro account. So I'm kind of expecting to be on the leaderboard tomorrow morning at 8:30 for my birthday stream. And another $2,400 payout, or a $2,400 payout with Take Profit Trader. But I did blow a pro account, so I bought another pro account, so that way I wasn't over trading the one, that big one that I have. And this account, this one is up 68,000. So I didn't want to over trade it, so I bought another pro account, passed it, made 3,000 on it, and then I blew it with like 10 minutes left to go in the market, which sucks. What's unlimited payout? It's the pro account, Dan. It's not unlimited, but it's $100,000. So you can get up to $100,000 on that account for a payout. It's not per account. It's like for total. So if you have multiple accounts, it's still 100K, but yeah, it's definitely the best one for that. They also, the other advantage is if they move you to live with a pro, it's the only accounts that they have this option where you take, and I believe this is what I was told, that you work, thank you so much, Barbie. You work with the risk manager, and they take that money and decide what they want to put you in the live account with, and then they pay you out on the rest. So max payout is 80,000 because you keep 20%. That's true. Lifetime payouts. Yes, that's what I was trying to say. Lifetime payout. Am I trading NQ? Yes. Yeah, 1-3 minis. On this account, it's been minis. Yep. How does the rapid plan payout work? Your first payout becomes available exactly 24 hours after your first trade. Yeah, that's okay. Thank you so much. As long as you meet the buffer in the minimum. Thank you. Yeah, 24 hours. Same with the builder account. It's 48 hours, and it is timed. So I don't know if you've seen, Jeannie, when I've taken payouts on stream. So I'll take payouts on stream on My Funded Futures TV just to promote the accounts, and you know, also to promote my own channel, right? Wink wink. Self promotion as well. But I have to wait 24 hours. So sometimes what I've done is, like, if I do it at the beginning of stream, I have to wait till the beginning of stream and then wait like another minute or so before on the next day to take out the next payout, if that makes sense, because it's like exactly 24 hours. And the builder account is every 48 hours exactly. How much do you target and risk with 3 minis? It's very... So, all right. So I talked about this earlier on My Fun Futures TV. I guess I'll talk about it again. I've been trading a lot on momentum, just momentum candles. Let's take a look. Lots of trading. I've been trading within 5-minute candles, but just looking at momentum, trying to get a nice judge on which direction that candle is pushing. And because it's so volatile on that candle, I really haven't been using many stops, right? I'll just be honest, because I have been building up quite a bit of a buffer. And what I've been doing is just looking at momentum. So looking at pushes down, like as we're pushing down on this candle, I'd hop in shorts, you know, pushing up three minis right there, scalped out as we're pushing up, that kind of stuff. Pushing down, 3 minis, 90 to 86, just a few points there. Sometimes I get out pretty quickly, 5-10 points, three minis. But just really like looking at, I traded a lot last night. I went down last night and I was trying to get back. So yeah, just trading a lot on the single candles, using the momentum. I'm not even really trading inside and outside bars. It's just trading momentum on the candles. I know it sounds crazy, but the last time I did this was maybe a year, just over a year ago. Well, we're getting a little breakdown here. Kind of missed it there. Little inside outside bar breakdown at 65. I don't know if we're going to continue down. Well, top of the hour too right here, so we'll hold off on that. But man, don't trade that stupid account either. Jeez, what are you doing? I'm going to get rid of this over here so I don't do that again. Every time I go to explain something, then I see a nice little setup and then I end up pushing the button. So yeah, so a few months ago, not a few months ago, about a year ago, I don't know if you guys, how many of you were around, but we had extreme volatility. I'm talking 200-300 point candles on a 5-minute chart. And I was just trading, and all I traded then was 5-minute candles. So I didn't have the 2-minute chart up or anything. And what I would do, I couldn't take an inside bar break really, because my stop out would have been like 300 points, 400 points. So what I started doing is I was just trading on momentum candles, and I would just try to get a little feel, like reading the tape, I guess people would say. And as we're pushing down on the candle, I just hop in, take a nice little quick profit, and let it go. But because there's been so much volatility, is that I'm able to get away with it lately. The trick is to be able to keep it once the market slows down. Like right now, I couldn't really trade like that. Yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing, like, for sure. Full flag, little pullback, then long into the night. It could be Frank. I gotta sneeze. Pollen is crazy. I went to Subway for lunch. I took a little break from installing my mini split today and decided to take my old man to lunch at Subway. So I went and picked up the old man at the shop. We went to Subway, and as I'm driving, the pine trees, you could see the wind would blow, and you could see it was like a cloud of dust, pollen just blowing off the pine trees right now. Insane. I'm feeling like I have a little bit of allergy going on. Simplistic Videos in the house. What's going on? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. 50K Lucid Flex account. Gonna give one away a little bit later. But nice little push down here. I'm having a little bit of FOMO. I'd love to look for another. I don't think this is it. I feel like the trend is still intact so far. A little pullback maybe. A little outside bar here on a 2-minute chart. If we take a pop back up at 66, I might try it long. Stop will go down here at 44. Currently up right around 456 or 446 on this account. This is a Lucid Flex 50K, just like you guys could win tonight. No more pine lines. Yeah, so I had to reset all my charts or redo them yesterday. And yeah, I kind of got rid of them because I was trading them a little bit on gold, but then I just decided that I wasn't trading them enough. Oh, appreciate you, Ike. Yeah, I like to print out those little shorts, little nuggets. Should go up pine and look on. Oh, yeah. You could. I watched your. Oh, I already read that. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate that. I think if I get a 25K TPT accounts and trade 1 to 2 micros, make $200 a daily on each of them, you're all set. Yeah. That's exactly what I try to go for. I don't trade micros, but usually on those accounts, I probably should. I got the mini split all up and running. But really, that's the thing. You know, you have multiple accounts. Like I have 3 take profit traders over the buffer. And yeah, I mean, it's even if you make $200-300, if you make $300 on each one of those accounts, that's $900 minus commissions. It's still $600 or $700 in your pocket every day. It's a beautiful thing. Even after the tax man, it's still a nice little chunk. Yeah, I got the mini split all up and running. How many BTUs? Oh, it's just for a bedroom. It's a spare bedroom down here that I got, and it's 9,000 BTU. It's a baby. I could muscle it myself, which was nice. It works too. I just fired it up actually just before stream. Works, good to go. I got fancy and I went and reflared the lines. So you know, the lines that it comes with are super long. So, and I had it nice. I had it mapped all out real nice. So when I put my trim up, and I really didn't want to coil them. You can coil them nicely and then go from there. But I decided to cut them and flare them. I don't know. It worked, but it'd been much quicker. I would have been done way earlier today if I didn't go do that. Reflare them. Ooh. Did you buy it online or local? Oh, it was online. Yeah, it was just a, you know, made in China. It was $400 on sale. 9,000 BTU, $400. Installed it myself. No, it wasn't even a Mr. Cool. It's a Rove Sun. I don't know. It's probably a junk, but it works right now. The funny thing is, I have a Samsung. I have a Samsung. I have a Mitsubishi, and I have this Rove Sun, and I have another one too. What's the other one I have? What the heck's the other one I have? I have another one too. And you know what are we talking about? Oh, mini splits. I installed a mini split today at the house, but yeah, the other one is The one I have the most trouble with is this Mitsubishi, which is the one I paid the most for. I have the most issues with that one, and that one I had installed. I had that one installed professionally. The other ones I've installed myself, and I haven't had any issues with those ones. Isn't that funny? Yeah, the mini ACs. Yep. Do you not have central air? No. No central air. In Maine, it would be nice, but really, I like heat and... So I want the heating and cooling in Maine, and I like having climate control in each room. So each room I go in, I want climate control. So every bedroom I walk in, it's got its own climate control. I want the main level to have its own climate control. All right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Did you see the Tradeify Grand Cup winner, 16K in one day? That's a good example of what micros can be. Oh, yeah. Wow, that's good. Invisible ID. Yeah, that's awesome. Ryan Wiggins in the house. Hello, my pine cones. What's up, TJP in the house? Think you're trading a night session right for now? New York is way too wild. You have a good point there, TJP. This is nice, you know, nice enough volatility where you can make some money, you know, up 450 on this account right now, and really haven't stressed about it. If I would have hopped into mini, you know, you hop in minis they're in New York right now. It's pass or smash, or you blow an account or whatever. I mean, it's wild. Does it ever get cold for heat in your winter months? Does it ever get too cold for heat in my winter months? Tech review in Maine? Yeah. It gets like 30 below zero here. With a wind chill. Yeah, it gets cold. And they work too. Like even on the cold days, they still work. D-Bond short 2 minis holding from 578. Let's go. Holding my balls on this one. Yeah, it gets real cold. Lots of grand to the gold spike. Let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, I'm just watching. I'm kind of missing the moves here, but oh yeah. Do they work? Oh, you meant like, do they work still? They have inverter problems. Yeah, no, these ones, they've all been chugging along. They chug along. This is not my main source of heat, so I have multiple sources of heat, which is nice. I like that. For one, I have a gas stove, so in case of an emergency, I have a gas stove, cooking stove, because you don't want to go without heat in the state of Maine in the wintertime. Bad. And then I have a wood stove. I guess that's my main source of heat because I just prefer it. Because I'll literally it'll be middle of January, freezing out, and I'll be in shorts and t-shirt. So that's my main source. And then I have mini splits, and then I also have a Rinnai, propane Rinnai, you know, wall heater. So I have multiple sources. It's all manipulation. We're starting and ending every day. Yeah, Yusuf, for sure. No pain, no gain. The Ripper in the house. 44 the Punisher. What is going on? Looking for 29 480s. Good luck. I think you could get it. We'll see. This is a nice little pullback here. Did put in a little bit of a harami. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. Look at the NQ. This is such a good setup. These outside, inside bars on the 5-minute, taking the breaks. Such a good setup. Doesn't come very often, but also the outside, inside bar, and then you take the inside bar, and then Stop goes above that. Really good setup there too. It's just that combination. It's that. Slouching again. Where do I live? I live in Maine. All right, getting that push down here. Or is it gonna bounce at 520? Right in this consolidation area. It's resistance box. State of Maine. That's where I get the name Pine Tree Trader right here. Like I was running my heat 4 days ago, 5 days ago. I was running the heat. It was cold. It was down in the 40s at night, and then during the day it was like 55 and raining. I had the heat running. Today it's muggy. It's probably like 80 and muggy, so I got the ACs running now. Yeah, it's just nuts. Shout out Maine. Fine with all the volatility that is being happening. Trading 1 and 2 micros is really nice. No need for more than that. Easy to trade. Oh yeah, for sure. But you don't get on my funded future leaderboards trading that. I mean, I guess you could. I can't. I can't trade one or 2 micros. What makes you think that the Tradeify did it show that he was trading micros and won the cup? Just curious. Let me see. I want to see. Grand Cup. Oh, I can't see it. Why can't I see it? Must be nice. It's hot as balls in Texas. Oh, yeah. No thanks. Texas, I wouldn't mind in the wintertime, for sure. I wouldn't mind going and checking it out. Greetings from southern Mexico. Pretty hot there, too, hello, teacher, right? Here I am complaining about the heat. And you're in southern Mexico. I'm sure it gets quite hot down there. But you're right. I mean, trading micros is responsible, especially in this market. You can click the brackets to see all the trades. Oh, interesting. Why can't I find it? Just trying to look at the Tradeify Cup. Guys, if you guys are trading with Trade Day, daily payout accounts, it's capital Pine with a capital P. I'm currently on timeout since I lost my Trade Day live account. Took it for quite the ride, though. Ended up taking, I think right around $4,000-$5,000 out of the live account. Started with three accounts. Took $6,000 in payouts out of those 3 accounts, and then took the live account, made $4,000 on that, withdrawals, and then I ended up blowing it one day. So I'm on timeout with the old Trade Day, but why can't I see Tradeify brackets? When I click on the Grand Cup, it doesn't work. Trying to look for the Grand Cup. Sorry, guys. I found it. So it's always interesting to watch or to look at. Oh, I see what he is. So he adds into the trade. It looks like. Helpful. Thank you for becoming a member. Interesting. Yeah, pretty cool. Afro Magi for winning the Grand Cup. That's pretty awesome. That's not easy to get through a tournament like that, going head to head with other people. And let's go, Helpful. Thank you so much for becoming a member. Big lightning storms. We just had a storm move through it. I know you live out in the Midwest, so those Midwest storms are crazy. I was out in Minnesota, and I've never seen a thunderstorm. Like, Maine gets bad storms, right? We get hurricanes, we get tropical storms, things like that come up the East Coast. We get blizzards, we get just crazy storms, but I've never gone through a thunderstorm like that in the Midwest. I mean, it is nuts. With the tornado warnings and the sirens going off. I mean, I felt like things were hitting the window of the house. I felt like there was like trash cans smacking the window. I mean, it was just crazy. Oh, here's a good question. Do you think resetting a 150K pro account is a good idea? No, I do not. It is what, 10 accounts? You can buy 10 evals for that price. Not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do. I cannot. But no, I think you just go through the eval again. I know it sucks. And then what you want to try to do, maybe, personally, this is what I try to do, is have a few backup accounts. I'm trying to take this outside bar short here. I just panicked because I looked up and I was like, am I in the right account? I'm not going to look for much because I did hop in a little bit late. No, I think they're just too expensive. I think if it's a 25K or something at $450, it's. I mean, a lot of straight to funded accounts are right around that price. Even 50K at I'm over leveraged. I'll tell you that right now. Even a 50K at 650 is a little bit, but a 150K, I've done it, and I tell you, it's. I've seen. Here's the reason. I've seen people lose and have to stop trading because they've reset. Because what's going to stop you from resetting that 150K more than once? If you don't get a payout on that account, then you'll reset it again, and then you'll reset it again. And next thing you know, your credit card bill is up to like $10,000-$15,000 when you keep resetting those accounts, and you got no payouts. It's yeah, like I said, I can't give you financial advice, but just think about it that way, and then you can buy 10 evals for the price of that one, and then you just gotta grind. It's okay. And I think what it is, a lot of times we just don't have that patience. Now, with that being said, yeah, I mean, you could reset and then have a beautiful day and end up getting a payout and everything's gravy. But I just tell you right now, I've seen some people on this chat that are members and been a long-time community members of the Pine Cones that have reset accounts and disappeared because next thing you know, they're in credit card debt and they can't trade no more. I've seen it. So just think about it. Someone else might tell you something different, but I'll just be real with you. Especially at 150K, $1,500. Woo. Now I've done it, and I've gotten payouts doing it, but yeah, not great. All right, here's 10 points here. All right, taking 3 off there. Stops to break even. Taking another one off, stops to break even. 35 to 20. Take that. 15 points. Could keep going. But I don't know. That was just, by the way, that was just my opinion. I never reset an account. I buy a new one with discount codes. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I mean, Captain Rex, you been there, done that? Yeah, me too. I mean, a lot of other traders have done it too. You know, and even like someone like Alpine traders talked about it and about resetting accounts, and it's just, it can add up. And you're talking someone that can afford it. Woof. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Little outside bar dump. We'll take that off. All right, currently up 622.50. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. You get scared and took profits too soon. Tough when the market's so bullish, right? When you're trying to short. Because overall, the market's super bullish. But I'm with you. A nice trade there. 35. Took some off at 20 for 15, and then went down to 09. So nice trade. Could continue as well, but we'll scalp. Market hard to trade for you right now, and yeah, nothing wrong with that. Sometimes the market just doesn't feel, if you're not just feeling it, then I know 2 people that had filed bankruptcy next trade, Lou. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I mean, there's people, so I recognize a lot of you guys. If you guys are here every single day, because I stream every single day, Sunday through Thursday, in case you guys are new, Sunday through Thursday, Globex open every single day, and then also My Finding Futures TV in the morning at 10 a.m. But I recognize a lot of you guys, and when you guys are frequent chatters, when you guys disappear, I go, what happened to that person? And I would hope it's not, maybe I said something to piss them off, but usually it's like, if they're a member or even a mod, like I'll make people, sometimes if you're around long enough, I'll make you a mod. And you got Sycamore's gone for a while. Yeah, that happens too. But yeah, they disappear from trading. I mean, it's an unsettling, but it's a fact. They get caught up in the rat race, and they end up losing too much money, and a lot of it is resetting those big accounts. Like if you start resetting those big accounts, or getting a lot of straight to funded accounts, direct to funded accounts at $650, $700 a piece, and you start buying 5 of those thinking like, oh, I got this, and then you buy 5 of those and you blow it, and then you buy another 5, and then you blow it, and you buy another 5, and then it just, next thing you know, it's like, oof. So what is this song called? I don't know. Golden Coast. This is just a playlist I made one day. By Ballpoint. Yeah, unfortunately, we can't play cool music. We have to play generic stuff. Will I buy SpaceX? What's my strat? I will not touch it. No, I don't mess around with any of that stuff anymore. I'm getting too old to mess with that kind of stuff. So if you're in your 20s and you got a little coin, you want to play around, do it. But all my stuff, and this is not financial advice, but all my stuff just goes right into a like JetQ or something like that, just a dividend fund that pays me, and I just leave it alone. I don't touch it. I pay the bills. Anything extra goes right into that. So I see my last trade I was streaming, please. But yeah, that should be wild. That's tomorrow, right? Yeah, that's tomorrow. SpaceX. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I had a really bad spiral resetting. Oh, here we go. Hasa Bandit says, I had a really bad spiraling reset TPT accounts 2 months ago. Was legit my lowest point. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it definitely happens. No Lambos? No. 2005 Toyota Corolla that I cannot kill. So as soon as it dies, I'll buy another truck. I'll buy a truck. I'm gonna buy a truck, but as soon as it dies, but I can't kill it. I just keep running it, and I use it like a truck. I strap things to the roof. I throw things in the trunk. I use it as a bench when I'm painting things. I can't kill it. It's just a beater, and it gets 36 miles a gallon, and every time I turn the key, it starts and runs. 220,000 miles and just keeps on ticking. Nice little outside bar here, bottom of the hour. Do we hop in for a long? If I blow my funded account, I step back to the account, no waste of money, and resets direct, in my opinion. Yeah. It's easy to feel like you wanted that shortcut. I'm trying to hop in along here. All right, I'm hopped in along here. Micros. Look at that push. Look at these outside bars paying dividends here. I tried to hop in with more than 2 micros, but 10 points quick off the rip. Is that it? This is why I struggle trading micros. It's 10 points with that mini, no drawdown. But then again, that's how I blow accounts too with minis. I'm gonna add into this here. First entry was beautiful, 25, and then I continued to add. So my average entry is 29. It pushed up 10 points and kind of died there at 35. Let's see if we continue higher. Let's see how this candle closes too. If it closes with a harami and pulls back and the body opens and closes within that body, then I'll just manually exit. Stop would normally go at 494. So I'll place the stop there just in case we get a tweet. And then we can trail it as it pushes higher, if it wants to push higher. I'm gonna add another contract here. Oh shit, I just added 4. Woo boy. I didn't mean to do that. All right, let's take off 4. I did not mean to do that. I meant to add 1. We're at the VWAP. Yeah. Yeah, I also took that off my chart too. So I don't really trade off it, but it is nice to look at. Maybe I should throw that back on. Whoa, look at that spike. That was ugly. Fine, pulled a Terry, but yeah, I fat fingered that trade, didn't I? That escalated quick, yeah. That's what I did last night on the take profit trader accounts. I ended up in 3 minis on one account, and you know, in this volatility, I was like, oh no. But it immediately went my way, kind of like that trade, this trade. So I ended up getting out, I don't even know, $500 or something like that, $600. I was like, sweet. And then because I meant to have it on the copy trader, so when you copy trade 3 accounts, you could have, you multiply it times 3 accounts, so 3 minis. And yeah, I didn't have the copy trader on, so I was in 3 minis on one account, which is why one account I made whatever it was, 1,300 today, and then the other 2 I made 600 on each. Hope Terry's not watching. That's all right. She's got a good sense of humor. She'll know exactly. She'll be laughing. All right, it's kind of struggling here. Like you guys said, it's at the VWAP, I guess. So struggling to push up through that 40s. Trying to give it a little more time here. There we go. There's the push. All right, we take that off there. All right, currently up 743 tonight. Feel pretty good about the trade so far. Been taking my setups. Nice little outside bar breaks on the 2-minute chart. Beautiful thing. Guys, yeah, we need 50 more likes. We'll do another giveaway. I like the other day when Terry, one of my friends, Tom, was talking about big trade. Terry was like, okay, yes, yeah, right. Yeah, Terry can sling some contracts. She can have big days. You'll see her on the My Fun and Future leaderboard eventually. No doubt. She definitely knows how to sling some contracts when she's in the right state of mind. And it's all a mind. It's just a mind thing. If you're trading well, she's really good at pushing it. That's one of the things that she taught me about trading these types of accounts where there's an end-of-day account. It's like now I have all this drawdown to work with. And so like on day one, when I was up $5,000 on the first trade, I didn't think, oh, I'm up $5,000. I thought, oh, I have $7,000 of drawdown to work with now to keep pushing it up. So, solo trader in the house, what's up? Is this the trading stream? Not sure what you mean there, but yeah. Guys, we got full port Terry. Yeah, I know, Romeo, exactly. Full port Terry. We can say that on this show. Look at that push there. Nice. Nice push. What's up, MM? Yeah, we can't say the full port Terry on My Fun and Futures TV. They don't like it, so we keep that for this stream. Full port. 300 likes. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Let's see how many people we got in the giveaway. I'm sure there's a lot. We might do a shotgun here. Let's do a quick shotgun. You guys are pretty honest tonight, which I appreciate. Wow, our viewership's actually lower tonight than normal, so you guys are... Let's just do a quick shotgun to freshen it up. Maybe not. Nothing's working. Hold on, guys. Nothing's working. Hold on. Not good. All right, let me restart this. I'm trying to restart the cloud bot and it's just not working. There we go. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do it for just a few minutes here. We get to 255. Get it in, get it in, get it in. Exclamation point pine in the chat. 50K Lucid Flex account given away. Then we're going to do a members only race after that. So give a shout out to the members. Nice trade there. Nice little push up. Guys, we're almost at 8,000 subs too. Yeah, I need 100 more. 100 more and we'll be at 8,000. So next week, I hope. Pretty awesome. I can't even imagine. We're gonna be on our way to 10,000 by the end of the year, I think. All right, let me go back to that. Closing entries. Come on, StreamYards. Why are you doing this to me? All right, let's do a giveaway here. Let's see. What'd you say, Ryan? Can you sing while I'm weed eating so I don't have to switch to music? Can I sing? We'll play some. I cannot sing. I can't sing for the life of me. All right, guys, let's do a moose race. If you guys joined me today on My Funded Futures TV, we did a moose race. Did you guys? How many of you guys were there? That was fun. That was a giant moose race. Just forwarded tested a 15-minute MNQ with a 13-tick stop loss. Works in. Oh, nice, Nate. Let's go. Just forwarded. Beautiful. I love forward testing stuff. It's like my hobby. Finding that magic sauce, the golden sauce. It just really just gives you the nice confidence to take the trade when you see it. That's what I like about it. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's go. Who's it gonna be? Yeah, Simple Trader, you were in 11th place. Maybe you'll win today. You never know. This is a tough race. I'm only giving away one, so just the first place winner on this one. Price thread out to an early lead here. Are they going to hold it, though? With 43 seconds left to go. There they go. They're falling back. Wick Hunter in the house. Edward. Bullpath. Adam Daz in the house. Tim Korth also on the inside lane. We have Wesley NQ with the lead right now, but oh, falling back. 18 seconds. Hit the boost. Hit the boost. Who's it gonna be? Out of nowhere. Oh, let's go. Gary. Gary LP in the house. That's sweet. I don't think you've ever won before. I like seeing people win new winners. Congrats, Gary. What's up, Sherry? I see Sherry Robinson in the house. But Gary won. Let's see who finished last. I like to see who finished last. Dill Preet finished last. This is Gary. Yeah, you had a 1 in 330 chance. So let's do Gary. Are you in the first? Oh, this is the first time on your stream? Oh, I was thinking about a different Gary. Well, see now, I'm gonna have a #1 fan now. You're gonna be my #1 fan. Let's see, Gary. Sherry's always behind in the video. It's freaking hilarious. We love Sherry though. Let's see, Gary. I don't know if you're on. Are you on Discord at all? You can join the Discord. It's free. That's an easy way for me to message you. If not, we can do it through email. If anyone else wants to join the Discord, here is the Discord link. If you want to join up on the Discord. We're starting to get some people in there chatting and stuff, which is a lot of fun. But yeah, Gary, however you want to reach out to me, that's perfectly fine. Been on the stream anytime, every day. Oh, cool. First time winning. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what I thought. I'm like, yeah, I've seen your name, I think, so. All right. But yeah, if you want to... How do you want to message me? Just curious. Yeah, email? Yeah, sure. Put it in the chat right now. Just, can you do me a favor, just so I know it's you? Go ahead and just kind of screenshot your, if you can, just screenshot your channel, so that way I know it's you. Because I print this email out, and then next thing you know, I got like 3 people emailing me and telling me they won. Happens. And then, all right, let's do a members only race. Real quick. So if you guys are just tuning in, we are up very nicely on this account, 743 bucks, grinding, taking some pretty nice trades tonight. I'm very happy the way that's going compared to last night, right? And here we go. Member only race, guys. So let me do that. Let me members only race. And all right, members only, exclamation point pine. Members only, exclamation point pine. What kind of race we're gonna do for the members only? Yeah, Gary, as soon as I get that email, I'll email you back and I'll just send you that code. Let's do it is summertime. It feels like summer. It makes me think of, what does it make me think of? We'll do this one. Spiders, you like the spiders? I think we're gonna do this one. It reminds me of summer, swimming, summer. All right, we get all the members in. All right, give you guys like 10 more seconds. Members only, exclamation point pine in the chat. Where you guys? Where are you guys coming from? Where you guys been? All right. Closing entries here. Oh, there's helpful. Maybe they're behind on the stream. I'd like to make sure that all the members are in, you know. All right, let's go. Closing entries. All right, here we go. Good luck, members. We are swimming. It is summertime. It's time to hit the pool. Let's go. I'm gonna mute this. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I got a mankini on, that's right. Get the mankinis. I don't think I see any women in this. What kind of race is this? There's no women in. That's not fair. And here we go. 5 seconds. Who's it gonna be? Oh no! Look at that trade. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Holy! I like that finish though. That finish was fun. Mathematica, congratulations. Yeah, that boost was insane. Congratulations, Mathematica. Let's see who finished last. Cali St. Louis fan, so close. I thought it was going to be Trader Moe's. That's what I thought. I mean, I saw Trader Moe's coming out of the back just at 100 miles an hour, but... Oh, no, Kathleen Freeman in the last place. Just joined the membership today. Finishes last place, but that's okay because I have a feeling the next one we do, you're going to have a good chance. Congratulations, Mathematica. Are you in the Discord, Mathematica? All right, what's the market doing here? All right, market's pushing up still. Nice little grind. Boy, some of these trades, you definitely can have the FOMO wanting to hold on to them. You're in the Discord? What's your Discord name? I'll hit you up. Is it Mathematica? Okay. You sure? Maybe it's not. I don't know. Try to DM me, Mathematica, if you can. Oh, maths. Okay. Oh, I got you. We got you. Boom. It's asking me if I'm human every single time. And here is your code. Guys, thank you so much for being here this week. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you everyone for using code PINE as well. I'm gonna call it right here. We had some nice trades tonight. Go ahead and use that code Mathematica for a 50K Lucid Flex account. Guys, my birthday is this weekend. Yeah, I know I'm not 10 years old, but hey, it is my birthday this weekend, so nice little birthday week. What I want from you guys for a birthday gift is for everyone to come over to My Funded Futures TV in the morning at 10 a.m. That's what I would like to see. Everyone there, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's give it up. Hopefully I'm on the My Funded Futures Pro, or My Funded Futures leaderboard, which is the top 30 of everyone in the firm that have a live or funded account. I might actually be on that leaderboard. We'll see. Fingers crossed. $18,500 on the account as of right now, and I do not plan on trading it. So let's see if I can get on that top 30. Besides that, I want everyone to have a great weekend. Smash that like button. Use code PINE. If you're picking up any accounts to help support this channel, I really appreciate the support. And I'm gonna hit up Gary too in the email. I'll get you your code there. And yeah, I think the next giveaways, guys, is gonna come at 8,000 subs, which I can see us getting there probably next week. And I'd love to do a special stream for that, for 8,000 subs. And we'll do some giveaways, and I'm trying to get a special guest to come on with me. You guys know who it is. I'm trying to get Terry Trades to come on with me at 8,000 subs to help do some giveaways and have some fun. So that'll be fun. How old am I? How old am I gonna be? 42. Thanks, guys. Thank you for the birthday wishes. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on My Funded Futures TV. And yeah, I think I'm 42. God, I hope I'm not turning 43. Oh. But yeah, thank you guys. I'm gonna go get a lobster this weekend, but for now, I'm just gonna go chill out and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you guys for being here. Peace out.
Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom.
Later.
From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV. Funded Futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, Funded Futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.